Yeah, so I'm here walking the streets.
Full big bag. I got 4 tacos.
We gonna get you out, man. You my boy, Blue.
Hey, was that your patty cake right there?
It'll be amazing if all the codes like just disappear. But what I do, we're gonna get the guys to come and clean and pressure wash this whole.
And all of a sudden people start banging on the door.
Yeah, life is lifing right now.
Do these people know? Do these people know? I gotta take a Duke Deuce. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and yeah, we are gonna continue with me looking busted as always, you know what I mean, for your innocent eyes, just having to look at this. But yeah, we continuing on with what the hell do I have to do to get my damn Suburban fixed? So, last episode you saw how obviously my cat was done, my catalytic converter, and now, today, beautiful day, shooting down to East LA to pick up a cat. So let's see how this goes, all right? If you haven't done so yet, I know it's right in the beginning of the video, please like and subscribe. And let's see what kind of venture this is gonna be today, because we gotta get my cats out here in East LA, then we gotta shoot back to Corona, the Spectre build, to man, let's get this video started, man. Peace.
Yeah, so I'm here walking the streets. Not because I'm trying to find the spot, it's because your boy, his stomach is a little loose. I gotta take a dump. And I already have a feeling it's gonna be warm and not solid. Yeah, life is lifing right now. So I had to kind of walk around. But so I think I'm gonna shoot over to the world famous King Taco, blow up their bathroom 1 time and 2 times, get some food, come back, and then head out again. But yeah, your boy's battling right now, man. So it's a fight, and I hope King Taco's bathroom is nice and clean, because I ain't trying to hover. Too much too soon. All right, let's get this going.
Got to be starting something, to be starting something. That's my booty hole singing right now. Gonna be starting something. I feel bad, man, because I'm over here, you know what I'm saying? Driving. Do these people know? Do these people know? I gotta take a Duke Deuce. If I go and they're like, oh yeah, no, we don't have no bathrooms, you know. Well, how do you guys go to the bathroom? I hate when people say that. We don't have no bathrooms here. Well, how do you guys use them? I'm a paying customer. If I was to like pee or take a dump on the floor, all of a sudden I'm the bad guy. All of a sudden I get arrested. I asked nicely and I was a paying customer. Hey, you know how nervous you get when like you go into the bathroom, sit down and take a dump, and all of a sudden people start banging on the door? You're like trying to be all quiet. They know you're in there, man. The door is locked. Well, I see some side bathrooms. Ooh. All right, we gotta do this on a mission to empty out. All right, let's go, man.
Yep. Your boy made it. You know what I mean? Look, you know what I'm saying? Got that. We in here, man. We did it. Had to do some cleaning. You know what I mean? Had to do some maintenance. But no, I'm playing with y'all. I'm playing. Anyway, all right. So we're about to empty out, get some food, kill a little bit of time, go back, get my cat. So far, today's going smooth. Little hiccup, but we losing weight. We losing weight, y'all. That's the goal. It's a really nice day out, man. For real. Sometimes Even when you have to take a unexpected dump, you gotta appreciate what's around you. Yeah, it's nice. Gotta love California, man.
Número 31, ventanilla 3, number 31, window 3.
Oh, I almost fell and busted my ass right now. You guys wasn't even gonna do anything to help. You're just gonna watch. Everybody's looking at me like, look at this big black fool blowing up the bathroom, falling over, trying to eat more food. What's wrong with him? I don't know, man. I've been telling you guys since day one, I got problems. I got issues. I'm not trying to fix it because I'm kind of cool. Yep.
Number 275, window 3, 275,
All right, man. I'm not gonna be a full big bag. I got 4 tacos and I got a carne asada burrito. So 4 carne asada tacos and a carne asada burrito, but I'm just gonna eat this right now because this should hold me over until later on today. I'm a big dude. I don't eat much. I don't think so. But yeah, gonna grub real quick. Go pick up this cap. It should be it should have been dropped off at the shop with the time it took me to take a Duke Deuce and eat. And then gonna go and hop back on the road and hopefully get to Specterville over Corona before traffic gets stupid, because I need to get out of LA and it's gonna be a little mission, but it's all good. Car stuff. So let's eat and keep it moving. Let's do this. All right, good news and fingers crossed. So got the cat, right? Boom, got it. And then now on our way back to Corona, to Specterville, GPS says it's gonna take about an hour. So it is what it is, man. It's California. But outside of that, why I said good news and fingers crossed is good news that I got it, fingers crossed that it's the right part and it's the right, that's exactly what I needed, because I've done business with those people before and never been an issue. Actually, everything's been solid. So hopefully it's consistent and got the right part, got it quick, and everything works out. So let's continue on this damn road. Let's get back to Specterville, see what they talking about. Let's get it, y'all. Locked up, they won't let me out. Won't let me out. Locked up. We gonna get you out, man. You my boy, Blue.
You're my boy, Blue!
You're my boy. You're my boy. Working. Yeah. Hey, you better celebrate better than that. You said, whoo. There it is. Damn, how do you contain yourself?
Wait.
There it is. There, the double up. What up?
What's up, man?
You know what I mean? You guys over here just doing car stuff?
Trying to figure out a new leak that supposedly just started happening.
Surprise.
Surprise, motherfucker.
First prize, motherfucker.
Rob's over there doing the
Uh-oh.
Hey, what's up, man?
Uh-oh, what you doing? This looks very familiar.
Hell yeah. It looks better on the car, but
You know?
it's coming along. I'm just putting this O2 bone
It's
on
crazy
real
how
quick.
big this thing looks when it's like not on the car.
Right?
Damn.
Coming along.
What you doing now?
O2 bone?
Oh, getting all the sensors and
Yep. This is the last thing. Once this is welded, and it's going to get installed in the car final time, and
it's gonna sit there again. Yeah.
yeah, until the next thing.
Hey, was that your patty cake right there? Was it-
I was trying to like. My
Oh,
hands when I
okay.
had shit in my hands. So you can't have my shit.
It's like patty cake.
So you think the pump?
I haven't even opened this thing up. Let's let me try to find a spot or a table.
So I got these rims and tires set up next to it. This isn't what's going on in the car, but with the body kit and then with the, they suggest, over at Spectreville, they suggest running 18s. I was thinking about running 19s, but they said run 18s with the Meteor tires. So I was just trying to put an 18 next to it to see what it looked like. And it's hard for me to like switch my mind over because I'm so used to seeing my car on bigger tires, on bigger rims with, you know, nice size sidewall. But I don't know. The car is slightly still lifted up off the ground. So because it's still up in the air, there is gonna be some space, but that's crazy. 18s, I don't know. Whatever has to work, man. It has to, like, when you're building cars, you want to cater to the looks of it, but at the same time, everything has a purpose. You want to have it dialed in. You don't want to have, you know, a nice car with a lot of horsepower and you're rolling on like rubber bands, little ass fit. It's pointless. Not only is it not safe, but it defeats the purpose. You can't put the power down, but whatever. Figure it out. Damn, you got in there fast?
What's that?
I said, you got it in there fast?
Oh, hell yeah. Race car shit.
You still have to take back and forth, because you're still doing the fitting?
No, this is done now. So this is already welded, so I'm putting it on for the last time now.
Oh, so that's gonna go on, boom, car goes up, that other piece goes on?
Yep. Exactly.
And that's dope how you could just, the detachment, you could just release the latch and that whole back piece comes off.
Just comes right out. There's 2 V-bands and yep, easy peasy. 3 technically.
Because 1, and then goes 2, and then another one in the very back, which is 3, right?
Well, you got 1 for the wastegate here, 1 for the turbo, and then you have 1 for the exhaust down below.
Damn, that's
There's
dope.
2 up here.
Hell yeah.
Stoked on it.
And then as of right now, then your part for this car is done.
Yeah.
Up until,
Yeah.
Because there, I mean, what other piping and stuff would need to be done?
No other piping. I have to trim your transmission mount the tiniest little bit. But other than that, yeah.
These guys down here are busy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just throw this. Hopefully he has my my keys because this alarm's about to go off. Nope. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna just throw this cap in the truck. So they already have it in there. Boom. Done, son. I'll tell the guys bye. And because I still have some time, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot down to AAA and go and pay for my registration. And I already know, because it's every 2 years, it's gonna require smog. So hopefully maybe this week, maybe next week, I don't know. It should be done. So hopefully the cat goes in there. It'll be amazing if all the codes like just disappear, but what I do know is they're gonna go and do maintenance on this whole thing. They're gonna get the guys to come and clean and pressure wash this whole engine bay, because there's like leaky stuff everywhere. Certain things like that need to be replaced. They're gonna spray and clean all up underneath it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and order myself some new headlights because these are foggy. Ew, 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 ew. No. Dramatic much? Anyway, I'm gonna tell the guys bye, and then I'm gonna keep on keeping on. So that's what it is right now. Cool. I'm gonna go pay for my registration for that. So and we back at it. We back at it. Bye, baby. Bye. I miss you so much. I miss you already. I ain't no bitch. All right, let's go pay for my registration. All right, man, went to AAA, paid for my registration, and yeah, they reminded me, which I already knew, that I was going to
need to get a smog for the Suburban. So hopefully if everything goes straight with the catalytic converter, switching out the sensors, doing a good 1-over, maybe even a 2-over of just like engine maintenance and stuff, spark plugs, wiring. Hopefully everything goes straight, and your boy is gonna be back on the road with the beast, dog. And for those of you that knew or that know me, I had a stupid system in it, and I'm gonna put another one in it, but bigger. So if you haven't done so yet, man, please like and subscribe. You know what I mean? Support your boy, and tune into the next episode, man. Follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, Facebook, and anywhere around the street, around the corner from where you live. I'll be there. Holla at your boy. Appreciate y'all, man. Peace.